All right, 7th graders, let's do one example problem from lesson 8-6 together. And you can follow along. I'm not going to exactly give you the answer, but I am going to help you through this, okay? So first of all, they give you some information about a giraffe. All right? And then we have our graph as age over the height. And the height is in feet, right? So, the giraffe was 1 foot tall at birth. So if we are talking about age, how old is the giraffe at birth?
Wait, no, 0.
0, right. So 0, on the 0 line, what number should you mark? One foot tall, right? Then, at age 4, the giraffe was how tall?
7 feet.
7 feet tall, age 4, right?
Look at the thing, John.
So 4, 7. And at age 7, the giraffe is 11 and a half feet tall. So that's off of our chart here. Off of mine anyway. Right? Now, they don't perfectly line up because the giraffe isn't growing at an exact constant rate. So we have to draw a line that is approximately through these. What does this one have for you already? Well, we're going to use y equals mx plus b to write our equation. Okay? What is b? What is b in general, Henry?
1.
Yep, what is, why 1? Why is it 1? You're right. What does b stand for? Nikki? It's the y-intercept. Right. B is the y-intercept, where the line crosses the y-axis, and in this situation they give it to you. At birth, at age 0. So b is 1. Then, what else do you need for this, to write this equation? Michael? M, the slope. And we have to find m by using the slope formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And we need to use some points from the graph, or some numbers that are given to you. Isaac?
How do you know which ones to pick?
Pick ones that they gave you. Which numbers did they give you that go together? For example, 0, 1 is one of the points, right? What is another point that's given to you?
4, 7.
4, 7.
7, 7.5.
And 7,
11.
11 and a half. Which ones?
Yeah, those 3. How do you know what to subtract?
You can pick 2 of them as long as the 2 you pick are close to the line that is given. To the line that you drew. So when you draw a line, as number 2, step 2 is, it says, draw a trend line, right? A trend line goes through 2 of the points that are given. All right? So if we go through these 2 points, then we should use those to find our slope. Okay? Then, once you have the slope, then write your equation. All right? y2 minus y1. So what points should we use? Well, let's start with let's use this one, 0, 1. That seems like a good one to use because that one would be easy to work with, right? And it goes through, we're going to use that point. And then we also use the top point, 711 and a half. So let's use that one. Subtract them. So 10.5, 11.5 minus 1, and 7 minus 0. So that's 10.5 minus over 7, right? Okay. And how would we put this into simplest form? Do you remember how to change a decimal? I'll give you a hint. You have to get rid of the decimal. So this is the same as 105 over 70. Yep. 105 over 70 is an equal fraction. And then reduce it by 5s, because they both end in a multiple of 5. So 21 over, what's 70 divided by 5? Oh, that'd be divided by 2. Is it 16? 14. 21 over 14, which is, divide both by 7. 3 over 2, yeah.
I did the other one, I got 2 over 3.
There's 2 over 3.
I got the other, I did the other number though.
But did you do y over x? Sure? This is the slope, isn't it? So use those two numbers to write your equation. Okay?
Thank you.